Pat snapped an axle as soon as he was
on the first burnout. Yeah, that's insane, bro. This thing fucking breaks necks. What the fuck? Yo, that shit's crazy. This is faster than the truck, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Dude. That's fucking nuts. And that wasn't even full throttle? No, that was like...
We were getting into it.
Fuck. Have you won majority, or has it just been back and forth?
It's been majority.
Yeah.
C8 got me.
Okay. The ZR1 one, or is it Z06? Okay.
The Audi on was like hybrid turbos or something. I don't know what he was talking about.
Right.
He got me. I think that was about it.
I think this is the fastest thing I've ever rode in then. Because if this is being Dylan's truck, then for sure.
I think we're about the same.
Okay. Bro, we were in Doherty's car. I'm like, why the fuck's that got a yellow plate on? And then I seen it, I'm like, oh, that shit's lit.
Yeah.
Did you buy that here? Or?
Nah, I got it in the Outback.
Oh, yeah. That thing's crazy.
40 under the brakes. And then 50 on the big end? Yep. Okay.
What the fuck? When ZR1 out the gate. Insane.
I don't know, I feel a lot more confident.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like he might get us, but...
Right. But it's like, you gotta see. Like, I mean, you've done some other events and whatnot, but like, not roll racing, I don't think.
And then the car kept having fueling issues because my volts were dropping super low. Like yesterday, they fell down to like 10.
Oh, really?
I
Damn.
put a new battery in it yesterday.
I seen that, yup, Damn, that's crazy. It's insane to see, like, from the level of last year to the level of this year. Like, Darney just did a whole diff swap. You had to put a, I mean, the battery's not too insane, but still. And then, and then fucking the cooling issues with Damon, he got that shit figured out. Like,
yesterday, I get on the track in the white BMW that I was arguing with on TikTok last year. Because we were going back and forth. He would say he spun or whatever. Like 650. Yeah, the white BMW I was racing last year was an M4. He got on the track. Different ball game this year. Yeah. Last year it was like close. This year it's just like you see the phone go out the window.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I mean, like we said earlier, it's a whole different level. Like,
whole different level.
Yeah. And the fucking trans feels amazing. Like,
oh yeah, it's
going from Darney's car. Like, I'm not saying Darney's trans is bad, but going from like a standard trans to this is fucking wild. Stock ZR1, I don't think.
Nah, no way.
Darney was fucking flying. You're good, I think. probably deaf.
I had to let
You
out
and that,
the Corvette.
yeah, I know. He was going for
He
it.
would have macked,
He
boy.
would, bro. That shit was close too. We fucking hawked the shit out of the two in
Yeah.
front of it. Holy shit. You can't even like focus. She, look at him. Yo, you can't even focus in this bitch. Like, when we're going, there's just like, you're almost
It's
blank.
unreal,
It's like you
bro.
black out almost.
It's
Like you're
unreal.
there, but you're not there.
You're good, no worries.
Holy shit. Boy, that was the craziest ride of my life. Wow.
Get the other Camaro. That's a good one. I want him to go race Tino.
Man, that shit was fucking. That shit feels like.
Yeah.
What the? It feels like a drug. Like, I just watched that Ruby video of the NASCAR drivers and how they were saying, like, it feels like a drug. It genuinely, like. That shit literally feels like you're almost high for a second.
I think tomorrow I'm gonna hook up my boost reference gauge to my fuel pressure regulator.
Right.
So it'll raise my fuel pressure when we're going. And I'm gonna turn it up, I think, to like maybe 15 or 16 pounds.
Okay, what's it at now?
Like 12.
Okay.
Making like 700. It should make
Yeah.
like a little over 8 tomorrow.
And now you're not really worried because you got this, right?
Yeah.
That was the only thing holding you back from making power.
Oh.
This is the worst time to know. How am I supposed to click the button?
Yeah, you gotta blow it to that?
No, I don't have to blow into it. I can leave it be.
Tito's hurt right now. I'm
It's
lit
taking a
on my
piss.
way to
I'll reach you
this
sitting
thing.
here now?
Yo.
Okay, with the Ricky's just chilling now. I can't get up.
Go that way.
I was in this thing chilling for me.
He was in this bitch sleeping.
Vinny was trying to pimp off with the truck.
Go to bed. Back up. Yeah, just stand over the truck. I'm leaning up this. You'll see them in the morning. I see you shut the door.
And I said, I don't know.
Get the cord, butter.
Fucking telling me it's all juice.
More than my little.
It is, look. It's at 25.
What? You're about to go to bed. I'm not trying to hear.
God, I was. What are you talking
Nah,
about?
you weren't even trying. You were about to go to bed. You were sleeping.
That motherfucking shit is not for me. Oh, God.
What?
Y'all niggas know y'all got 10th. You might as well just go sleep in there.
Dude got ticks on him and all types of shit.
Dude, oh my god, he does.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.